A North Texas real estate agent accused in a 14-year-old Arlington murder case is now fighting to get out of jail. Police say a DNA breakthrough finally led them to Mayra Velasquez, who has been charged with capital murder. Her attorney sat down with Fox 4's Casey Stiegel, who explains why he believes investigators have drawn the wrong conclusion from the evidence.
14 years after Aracima Chavez was found stabbed to death inside her Arlington apartment, and North Texas real estate agent Mayra Velasquez was arrested for the crime. Now the case has shifted from an unsolved mystery to a battle over DNA evidence.
I think that the conclusion is flawed, and I don't know that necessarily that the investigation is flawed.
At a press conference this week, Arlington police and the FBI said genetic genealogy identified Velasquez as a possible suspect. Detectives then followed her to a restaurant where they recovered a plastic fork she used. The DNA on that fork, they say, was the same DNA recovered at the victim's apartment in 2012.
And we sent it to our crime lab for further analysis. The lab determined that the DNA was a match to the droplet of blood recovered from the crime scene.
But Sellers, who is representing Velasquez, questions the validity of it.
Over 10 hours later, they're saying that there is a glistening drop of blood that's still wet. That tells us right away that I'm not even convinced it's blood.
The DNA has already been tested in a lab. Now it must be tested in court. The real question is it strong enough evidence to support a capital murder charge? 42-year-old Mayra Velasquez remains jailed without bond. Her attorney is asking a judge to set one, pointing to her lack of any prior criminal history, while he works on challenging other evidence, including this surveillance video recorded outside the victim's apartment the night of the murder. Detectives believe it's Velasquez. Her attorney says not so fast.
The gait of the person, the way that they carry themselves, this is a male. This is a male who's going over there late at night at 10 o'clock.
Police say both women knew each other, and the realtor lived within close proximity to the 32-year-old victim, even moved in the same social circles. What investigators still have not disclosed? A possible motive. In Arlington, Casey Stiegel, Fox 4 News.